Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to create a brand new pin on Pinterest step by step with the latest updates. Whether you're sharing inspiration, promoting your business, or just saving ideas, this guide will help you get your content out there quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. On your profile page, you'll see a section labeled Pins. Tap on it to view all your existing pins. Now, look for the plus sign, the plus icon, usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Tap this icon to bring up a menu of options. From here, select Pin. This is the option you'll use to create a new pin from scratch. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a photo or video from your gallery. Browse through your camera roll and select the image or video you want to share. Once you've made your selection, it's time to add the details that will make your pin stand out. Enter a catchy title for your pin. This is what will grab people's attention as they scroll. Add a description to tell viewers more about your pin. Think about including keywords that will help others find it. If you have a website or a specific link you want to share, you can add it here as well. When you're happy with your details, tap Next. You'll then be asked to choose a board to save your pin to. Pick an existing board or create a new one if you want to organize your pins by topic. Finally, tap Create to publish your pin. That's it. Your new pin is now live and ready for others to discover, save, and share. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Pinterest tips and social media tutorials.